Finding specific terms of a sequence given the recurrence relation and one or more terms. Examples. A sequence is given by the term-to-term rule. U subscript n plus 1 equals to U subscript n plus 8. This mathematical equation is a recurrence relation where U1 equals to 0. Calculate U2, U3, and U4. Solution. Now we have U subscript n plus 1 equals to U subscript n, then plus 8. Now the next thing to do, since we are given U1 to be equals to 0, and we're given U1 equals to 0. Now we want to find U2. So for us to get U2, the first thing to do is to say when n equals to 1. If n equals to 1, what would be the effect of n equals to 1 on the recurrence relation? So anywhere we have n, we put 1. 1 plus 1, U subscript 1 plus 1 equals to U subscript 1, then plus 8. Now, 1 plus 1 will give us what? 2. So this means we have U2 equals to U1 plus 8. Now, anywhere we see U1, we put what? 0, because we have been given from the question. So this is going to be 0 plus 8. So 0 plus 8 will give us 8. So it means that U2 equals to 8. Now, we need to find U3. That's the next one. Calculate for U3. For U3, we now use when n equals to 2. When n equals to 2, what will be the effect of n equals to 2 on the recurrence relation? So from the term-to-term rule, which is also the same thing as the recurrence relation, anywhere we see n, we put 2. So what are we going to have from here? We are going to have U plus 2 plus 1 equals to what? U subscript 2, then plus 8. So in this case, 2 plus 1, we have 3. So U subscript 3 equals to U2 plus 8. Now we know the value of U2. What is U2 from the calculation, the previous one? U2 equals to 8. So it means that anywhere we see U2 here, we are going to put 8. So we now have U3 to be equals to what? 8 plus 8. And this will give us what? 16. That is the value of U3. Now we need to find U4 also. To get the value of U4, we are going to use when n equals to what? When n equals to 3. So we still have to go back to the recurrence relation. The recurrence relation. Now, from the recurrence relation, anywhere we see n, we put what? Anywhere we see n, we put 3. So we have U plus 3 plus 1, then equals to U3 plus 8. Now, 3 plus 1, that will give us what? 4. So this is U4 equals to U3 plus 8. Now, anywhere we see U3 now, we already know the value of U3 to be 16. So we substitute. It is going to be 16 plus 8. Now in this case, 16 plus 8 will give us what? 24. So we can now conclude that U2 equals to what? U2 equals to 8, U3 equals to 16, and U4 equals to 24. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.